In this video, I will teach you how to connect Make.com with Google Sheets. So first of all, you need to make sure that you are onto your new scenario section. As you can see on top left side of your screen, once you're there, you can see we have a couple of options. So we have this plus icon at the center of our screen mostly, or if you cannot see this, you have it at the bottom of your screen as well. You can see we have this add option, and over here we need to be searching for sheets. So let's just do that, and at the very first place you can see we have the official verified application for Google Sheets. Click onto that. Now you can see nothing is happened. Click on to any option. Let's just say you want to add a row, update a row, add any specific function from this list. So you can see, let's just say you want to add a sheet. So click onto this, and a node is now added. So to connect your Google Sheets, simply need to click onto this and click automatically. Now once you do that, it's going to be asking you for your Google Sheets account. You need to create a connection providing those. So you can also head over to the link in the description below to get 1 month free on Pro Plan on Make.com. So that is something you should not be missing out. So that's how easy it is to create a connection and connect your Google Sheets with Make.com.